Title: Car Buying Guide, Making a Smart Purchase Decision. Welcome to our YouTube video on car buying. In this guide, we will provide you with essential tips and insights to help you make a smart purchase decision when buying a car. Buying a car is a significant financial investment, and it's important to approach the process with careful consideration and research. In this video, we will discuss key factors to consider, such as budgeting, researching car models, evaluating options, and negotiating a fair deal. Step 1. Determine your budget. Before you start shopping, establish a realistic budget that includes the purchase price, insurance, maintenance, and other related expenses. Step 2. Explore financing options. If you plan to finance your car, research different loan options and get pre-approved to understand your borrowing capacity and interest rates. Step 3. Research car models. Consider your needs, preferences, and lifestyle to narrow down the car models that align with your requirements. Read reviews, compare features, and test drive the shortlisted options. Step 4. Evaluate used cars carefully. If you're considering a used car, inspect it thoroughly, check its maintenance records, and consider getting a trusted mechanic's opinion to ensure its reliability. Step 5. Negotiate the price. Be prepared to negotiate the car's price, taking into account factors such as market value, condition, mileage, and any additional features. Step 6. Review the purchase agreement. Carefully review all the terms and conditions of the purchase agreement, including warranties, financing details, and any additional fees. Step 7. Explore insurance options. Research and compare car insurance policies to find the coverage that best suits your needs and budget. Consider factors like coverage limits, deductibles, and customer reviews. Step 8. Plan for maintenance and upkeep. Understand the car's maintenance requirements and estimated costs. Budget for regular maintenance, repairs, and unforeseen expenses. Step 9. Enjoy your new car responsibly. Drive safely, follow traffic rules, and maintain your vehicle to ensure its longevity and resale value. Thank you for watching our video on car buying. We hope these tips will empower you to make a smart and informed decision when purchasing a car. Remember, buying a car is an exciting milestone, and with the right knowledge and preparation, you can make a purchase that fits your needs and budget.